Hey, what's going on guys, it's that one unboxing guy here, and today we're doing an unboxing about Lego Creator. So this is probably the first video that I will post to my channel, and I post weekly because I don't buy stuff every day. I'm not that rich, and so just sit back, relax, and enjoy the unboxing. This is the set Mini Cooper by the team of Lego Creator. Ages recommended is 16 plus, set number 10242. There are 1077 pieces in this set. Got the box open. Let's gather things up. It's empty. So I'll be back when I'm done counting the bags. Be right back in just 2 seconds. I'm back guys, and there's 2 bags of bag 1, 3 bags of bag 2, and 3 bags of bag 3. And there's the instruction booklet and the stickers. I bought this at a retail price 399 Malaysian ringgit and in the US for 99.99. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave down a comment. Feel free to share to Facebook and anything else. Thank you for watching.